Hello everyone. A couple of days ago I ordered the Tamron AF 70 to 300mm lens kit for Canon. For some reason Amazon delivered to me a Nikon fit, so I had to send it back, and then they sent me the proper one, and this time the proper one arrived. So the model is A17E. The only problem I'm having with this kit so far is that the filter size is actually 62mm and the Canon fit is 58, so all the filters I already have are unusable, but I ordered some downsized rings. They should be here tomorrow and that should fix the problem. There is not much in the box. The kit is already installed on my camera. I'm going to show it to you in a bit. There's some paperwork, lens hood, and the lens itself now. Let's close this, and in the end of this video I'm going to add some photos that I made today with the new lens. So I mounted this on my EOS 700D. That's the kit. It's big and heavy, but it's pretty good. Now I have the option for manual and autofocus. Both work fantastic. I'm not using the autofocus much, but the pictures I made are all with manual, so you can see them again in the end of the video. But it's there and it works great. You have the macro mode, which I'm not sure what actually does, because when I switch to macro and take a photo and then switch back to normal and take the same photo with same settings, there is absolutely no difference. So I still don't know why we have this button there. If you want to switch this button though, you need to go to 300, somewhere between 300 and 180, and then you can switch the button to macro if you want to go back to normal, and that basically will limit. So probably that's the purpose, just to limit the lens movement, the zoom movement, I don't know. And if you want to go back to normal, you just need to go to infinity here and switch it back like that. It's good. The hood is massive. As I said, the only problem is that the fit for filters is 62mm, but again, a downsized ring should solve that problem. I've took probably 100 pictures already with it, no issues whatsoever. It's super pleasant to use. Again, it's a bit heavy, but that's the only thing. And yeah, I like it. And it's I think 2 times cheaper than the original Canon lens. The same 700, sorry, not 700, 70 to 300mm. 2 times cheaper, but it's actually pretty good. It's made in Vietnam. The lens hood is made in China, if anybody cares about these things. But I'll stop talking now. I'll add a link in the description for it so you can check it. I got mine from Amazon. I'll add a link for the downsized rings as well. That will be the talking for this video, guys, and you can check the pictures in the end of the video. Any questions, just ask me in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.
That feels good! Feels good!